Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Candy theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and you need to update Instagram application. So once you complete that step, you need to go back and you simply need to open Instagram application. So once you open, click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation. So I'm going to select this one. Click on the person name, click on theme, and once you are here you simply need to scroll down, and in the bottom you can find berry theme and candy theme. So we want to activate candy, so you simply need to select here candy theme, and once you select that, your theme will be activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.